Let's transfer your Google account to another phone. Now, on your Android phone, let's swipe up and get into your settings. First, we need to remove this Google account and make sure everything is backed up. So let's go to Accounts and Backup, and you're going to find that Google account, Gmail, whatever it may be. In this case, I'm going to choose this one, but I need to first tap on Sync, and I'm going to go through this list and make sure all of these are synced up so I don't lose any data. After I've done that, all I need to do is hit the Remove Account button and then tap on Remove. Now, after I've done that, all I need to do is get that new phone and have set it up. And if I wanted to set it up and add that new Google account, again, I'm going to go into my settings on the new phone, and then I'm just going to scroll down until I get to Accounts and Backup and Manage Accounts. Now, you won't see that old Gmail account. Just hit Add New, and in this case, Google, and then just go through the process of signing into that same Google account. You've synced everything up. It'll be all brought to your new phone.